Now we are going to combine discount and sales tax together. I do want to point out this box off to the right. It says it does not matter whether you calculate the discount or the sales tax first. Your final answer will be the same, although in between your steps might look a little bit different. We do typically calculate the discount first and then the sales tax. So I'm going to show you basically using method 2 here. Method 1 can get really complicated here really fast. So method 2, I definitely suggest you use when you have both discount and sales tax. So let's look at number 14. We've got $85.95 for a pair of sneakers. We've got a 15% discount and 6% sales tax. So for this, I'm going to do 100% minus 15% for the discount. So I'm going to treat the discount first. That's 85% or 0.85. So take 0.85 times $85.95, and we get 73.0575. Now, I'm not going to round it because it's not my final solution. Now, so all of this stuff right here was for discount. Let's talk about sales tax. 6% sales tax is 100% plus 6%, or 106%, which is 1.06. But we don't multiply 1.06 by the original price. We multiply it by the discount price from up here. I'm going to highlight this in blue. So we're going to take 1.06 times the 73.0575. And again, all of this stuff right here is going to be for sales tax. We get 77.44095. So round it to the nearest cent will be $77.44. Now, the easiest way to do this is actually to just take your original price, $85.95, times 0.85, that comes from the discount. And I think at this point, you could probably skip having to write 100% minus 15% equals 85% equals 0.85. So in fact, if you're doing this, I mean, I would recommend skipping this purple highlighted step and this purple highlighted step. And right off the bat, just multiply by 1.06. You could do this all in one single line. So this is for your sales tax. It's 100% minus 15% for the discount, 100% plus 6% for the sales tax. Take $85.95 times 0.85 times 1.06. Guess what? You get $77.44 as well. It's a lot easier if you can just do it all in one line, and I would be okay with that. So if you want to show it like this, that's fine. If you'd rather show all the steps like we have up above, that's okay too. So number 15, let's take a look at the $499 iPad, 20% discount, 6% sales tax. Let's do the discount first. 100% minus 20% is 80%, or 0.8. And again, this is all for the discount. Take 0.8 times $499, we get $399.20. Let's take a look now at our sales tax, 6%. So we do 100% plus 6%, which is 106%, or 1.06. Multiply that again by the $399.2, not the original price. That's a big deal. We get $423.152. So it's $423.15, since that next digit is a 2. And again, all of this information right here is for the discount. Final answer, $423.15. Easiest way though, take $499 times 0.8 for the discount times 1.06 for sales tax. Guess what? You get the exact same answer. Now, something I really want to stress to you. So I often have students who are like, well, if I have a 15% discount and 6% sales tax, can I just subtract them and get 9% and do a 9% discount on the $85.95 pair of sneakers? It will not work. The reason why is because you're not taking the 6% off of the original price, you're taking it off of the sale price. So if you subtract them and just do 9%, you're doing both of those on the original price, neither of those on the sale price. So you definitely want to do those separately. But again, the easiest way, I'm not going to lie to you, I'm not going to hide anything from you. The easiest way to do these problems is right down here with this purple dot next to it, all in one step. You can do that. Not surprisingly, I have a question for you to try. We've got a pair of AirPods for $159, 15% discount, 6% sales tax. Get to it when you're ready, unpause the video, and we'll take a look at it. All right, so for this one, I did it in a single step to make it easy. I took 159 times 0.85, that's for my discount, 85% of the price, times 1.06, that's for sales tax. I got 143.259, which is $143.26. Done. All right. We've got a last stretch here of questions to get through. Let's do it. So another word for discount is a markdown. You might see that phrase sometimes. So let's look at number 18. It says find the markdown for an item that originally cost $25 and is on sale for 15% off. So what I want to do is figure out how much we're going to save on this item, like how much is going to be taken off of the price. So in this case, we just have to read carefully. 15% off, 15% is 0.15. Take 0.15 times 25, it means you're going to have a markdown of $3.75. That's going to be the amount of the discount. Number 19, this is a really good question. This is something that does happen in real life. Janet's house is up for sale. The original listing price of the house is $160,000, but the realtor suggests a 2% markdown to help sell the house. A, find the markdown. So this kind of happened to me when I was trying to sell my townhouse several years ago, was that there were so many townhouses on the market. They just were not selling very quickly. So we had to mark it down a little bit to help sell the house, and it did eventually sell. So to find the markdown, I'm going to take 2% as a decimal, which is 0.02, multiply it by the original price, $160,000, and I get $3,200. So we're going to mark down the price, $3,200. So to find the new price after the markdown, take $160,000 minus $3,200, and we get $156,800. All right, moving right along. We also have a markup, not surprisingly. So to make money, stores use an increase in price called a markup. Obviously, they're not going to sell their items for the same amount that they pay for them, otherwise they don't make any money. So let's look at number 20. Bob's Hardware Store purchases drills for $68. Find the markup if the drills are sold for 15% over the price paid. So we want to figure out how much he's going to increase the price. 15% is 0.15. Multiply it by $68, that's $10.20. So he's going to mark up the price, $10.20. What will be the new price after the markup? Well, let's add 68 and 1020. We get $78.20. Number 21, Sam's Grocery purchases chicken for $3.25 per pound. Find the markup if the chicken is sold for 12% over the price paid. So 12% as a decimal is 0.12. Multiply that by 325 will get us 39 cents. So they're going to mark up the price 39 cents. So again, mark up means we're going to add on. So take 325 plus 39 cents, and we will have a new price of $3.64. All right, pay close attention to 22 and 23. These are very important questions. You're going to see problems like these on your unit test. So number 22, it says it costs $12.50 to make a pair of shoes. If the cost of the shoes is marked up 785%, which is not surprising, to get the retail price, what is the retail price of the shoes? So marked up is an increase. So one option is to take 785% as a decimal, which is 7.85 times 1250. That gets you 98.125. Now that is not the price after the markup. That's how much they're marking up the price. You still have to add $12.50 and the 98.125 to get $110.625 or $110.63. Now the other option, since it's being marked up, you can do 100% plus 785% to get 885%, or 8.85. Take 8.85 times $12.50, you will get the $110.63. This works because, again, that 100% represents the original $12.50 plus another 785% on top of that to get your final price. I like the second method because I think it's a little easier, a little simpler, but both will work. Number 23, it costs 95 cents to make a cheeseburger. The PTA will mark up the cost 400% to earn money. How much will the PTA sell each cheeseburger for? 400% as a decimal is 4, or 4.00. times 0.95 is 380. So that's how much they're going to mark it up. But again, we need to add the 95-cent original price. 95 cents plus $3.80 will get us $4.75. All right, the other method you have, or other strategy, is to take 100% plus 400% to get 500%, or 5. Take 5 times 0.95, we get $4.75. Again, that's the final price after the markup. All right, so last topic we need to talk about. I know this video is getting pretty lengthy if you're trying to watch it all at once, which hopefully you're not. But let's take a look at this. Finding the original price of an item. Henry had a coupon for a 20% discount on a wireless speaker. If the selling price of the speaker was $68.40, what was the original price of the speaker? So I let X equal the original price of the speaker. If the coupon is for 20% off, that means that Henry will pay 80% of the original price. 80% is 0.8. So if we take 0.8 times X, the original price, that'll get us the sale price of $68.50 or 40 cents. And then we just solve that equation. We know how to solve one-step equations. You solve that and you get $85.50, which makes sense that the original price would be higher. So let's try it. Number 24, Mark has a coupon for a 15% discount on a set of headphones. If the selling price of the headphones is $80.75, what is the original price of the headphones? So a 15% discount is 85% of the original price. So 100% minus 15% is 85%, or 0.85. If we let X equal the original price, we're going to take 0.85 times the original price, X, and that will get us the sale price of $80.75. The inverse of multiplying by 0.85 is to divide by 0.85. So in your calculators, you will calculate $80.75 divided by 0.85, and this will get us an original price of $95. Let's try number 25. Juliet has a coupon for 30% discount on a softball bat. If the selling price of the bat is $45.50, what is the original price of the bat? So 100% minus 30% is 70%, or 0.7. We'll let X equal the original price. Take 0.7 times X, that's going to equal the sale price of $45.50. Divide both sides by 0.7, and you will get an original price of $65. All right, so this video is already long enough. We have no other concepts to take a look at here, but obviously we'll be taking a look at a lot of practice problems in class on this stuff. Hopefully you haven't had to watch the entire video. You've at least seen some of this stuff in class. But it's a good reinforcement of all of the information that we'll be talking about during our class time. Thanks for listening.